In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove guides in Adobe Illustrator. Guides are those thin, non-printing lines that help you align and position elements with precision. They're incredibly useful while laying out a design, but once you're ready to tidy things up, you might want to remove a few of them or clear them all at once. Here's how to do both quickly and cleanly. First, make sure your guides aren't locked. If guides are locked, you won't be able to select or delete them, and it can feel like nothing's working. Go to the View menu, move down to Guides, and choose Unlock Guides. Once they're unlocked, you're free to select and remove them just like any other object. Next, select the guide or guides you want to delete. Switch to the Selection tool, which you can get to by pressing the V key. With the Selection tool active, hover over a guide. It should highlight when your cursor is on it. Click once to select a single guide. If you want to select more than one, hold Shift and click Additional Guides, or click and drag a marquee around several guides to grab them together. Zooming in a bit can make precise selections easier, especially if your design is dense or your guides are close to artwork. Once your guides are selected, press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. The selected guides will disappear immediately. If you remove something by mistake, don't worry, use Undo to bring it back. Deleting guides doesn't affect your actual artwork, it simply removes those alignment aids from the canvas. If your goal is to clear every guide in the document in one go, there's a faster option. Head back to the View menu, go to Guides, and choose Clear Guides. This removes all guides at once without requiring any selection, which is perfect when you're wrapping up and want a clean workspace. Keep in mind that this applies to all visible guides in the current document across layers, so use it when you're sure you don't need any of them. That's all there is to it. Unlock guides so they're selectable, use the Selection tool to grab the ones you want, delete them with a keystroke, or clear everything at once from the Guides menu. With these steps,